Vice President Constantino Chiwenga says President Emmerson Mnangagwa is behind the 2030 political agenda. It is working with corrupt elements who are funding his controversial campaign to extend his rule beyond his 2028 second term constitutional limit to 2030 or 2035. Sanabina Mashukobdanyo Vanji Zimbabwe on 2017 political path. Once again, don't forget to subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Chipina panapa, Namobdanyo Kamchinsin. This Chiwenga says he has decided the country on a pre-2017 like dangerous coup path. This comes as ZANU-PF annual conference opens, running from 13 to 18 October in Ontari. In a document to the ZANU-PF Presidium, the Politburo presented on September 17, Chiwenga said, "Today history is repeating itself in the most shameful way, Comrade President. Why we find ourselves in the situation is both shocking and shameful. Comrade President, on several occasions, and even abroad, you have informed the nation that you are a constitutionalist, and yet it is now clear for anyone to see that the so-called 20th agenda to extend your term of office is real and alive, and this has now taken us back to the use of that led us to November 2017. Moreover, the drivers of this so-called 20th agenda have now made corruption, looting of our state coffers, and the bribery of our structures the cornerstone of their contribution to their campaign, and this is now destroying our party and violating our constitution. We are witnessing in shock as some of our officials in the party and government have now become a law unto themselves and are even announcing to our people and gatherings that we are no longer holding elections in 2028. These are critical announcements or matters that we are a presidium in the Central Committee have never discussed. Or did we pass a resolution at the last 2022 conference? The reality which is clearly emerging is that this 2030 agenda is being funded and driven by non-criminals. We have brazenly looted our state coffers. Thomas Karubuda Pangwa ine uchinkonza aiwa vipi Constantino Chiwenga oita eye to eye aiwa oya chiraba mashoulders aine mtungamiri wenyika chiwadzo zvamuri kuita izvi regereva komana bina kuma section medu zvafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, get on the bell icon.